So this is just an informal sort of video today. I'll be checking this PD charge compatibility of Lenovo Legion 5 Generation 6. So here I have a Xiaomi charger. I guess it's AD65G and it's a 65 watt charger. And the cable it comes with is also 60 watt compatible, so it's not the high current 100 watt cable. So let's try and plug it into the laptop, and as you can see the light is red now, but the charger it's not working. As you can see in the meter, it's around 0 watts. So when I go for the standby mode, so it will start charging. As you see, the charging is now at 47 watts. Now plugging the MacBook charger. So the MacBook charger is around I guess 96 watts charger, if you can see, and it has the higher current cable, which is around able to carry 100 watts. So it's a 2-meter cable, and let me just plug it in. You just turn on the laptop first. Okay, so this charger is immediately detected in the Windows, and it would show you a prompt that it's a slow charger, but it works. And as you can see, the laptop is charging at around 60 to 70 watts, and if I enable the rapid charge, so it would go to around 95 watts. As you can see, it's around 97 watts now. So there is one way around you can where you can use a 65 watt charger while the laptop is still on. So the method is you would use this 65 watt charger and just plug it in your laptop, and then what you have to do is you have to turn on the conservation mode. So as you can see, when I have turned on the conservation mode, the charging speed has increased to like 26 watts, so it is giving power to the laptop directly without using the battery. Then you can just disable it and it would start working as intended. So it's around 55 watts now. So that's basically it. And if I can change the cable to a 5 ampere cable, so you can use it directly without using this trick. So I think it's mostly because of the low current cable that it is not working properly. So as you can see, I have plugged in the 5 ampere cable of the that came with the MacBook, and without even turning on the conservation mode, as you can see, it's grayed out, but the charger is still at around 60 watts. Yes, so that's it. The main conclusion is that the laptop is charging at with the 60 watt charger, but only in standby mode, or if you use a 5 ampere cable, so it would charge. Otherwise you would have to use this somewhat trick. And when charging with the MacBook 100 watts, a 96 watt charger, it immediately recognizes it, and laptop starts charging, while the other one is not recognized as a charger in Windows.